Leveraging AI and blockchain in economic policy, 5 technical strategies for enhanced transparency by 2025. Introduction. The integration of artificial intelligence AI and blockchain technology into economic policy is set to enhance transparency in government spending by 2025. This transformative initiative is being explored by governments and organizations worldwide, focusing on increasing accountability and reducing fraud in public financial management. Multiple sources highlight the importance of these technologies, each emphasizing different technical strategies and implementations. Key integration strategies. 1. Predictive analytics and anomaly detection. AI can analyze historical spending data, allowing governments to forecast future financial needs and detect potential fraud by identifying unusual transaction patterns. This predictive capability can significantly enhance financial planning and resource allocation. 2. Immutable record-keeping. Blockchain technology offers a tamper-proof ledger of transactions, ensuring public spending records are secure and easily traceable. This immutability fosters trust among citizens in the integrity of government financial practices. 3. Automated reporting and smart contracts. AI can automate reporting processes, providing real-time insights into government spending. Meanwhile, blockchain-enabled smart contracts can facilitate fund disbursement and ensure compliance with predetermined conditions, streamlining bureaucratic processes. 4. Enhanced data accessibility. By utilizing blockchain, governments can make non-sensitive financial data accessible to the public in real time, promoting transparency and enabling citizens to engage more actively with public financial management. 5. AI-driven compliance monitoring. AI tools can continuously monitor transactions recorded on the blockchain, ensuring compliance with regulations and flagging anomalies that could indicate fraud or misuse of funds. Use cases and success stories. Estonia's X-Road. Estonia's X-Road is a digital system that allows secure data exchange among government agencies. It integrates AI for predictive analytics, enabling efficient budget planning while exploring blockchain for enhanced data integrity. This initiative has significantly increased public trust, with 99% of government services available online. Dubai's blockchain strategy. Dubai aims to become the first government powered entirely by blockchain. By eliminating paper transactions, the city projects savings of approximately $1.5 billion annually. The integration of AI further enhances service delivery, making processes up to 10 times faster. Brazil's public expenditure system. Brazil has developed a blockchain platform to record all public expenses, allowing for real-time oversight. AI analyzes spending patterns, leading to early detection of potential misuse of funds. This initiative has resulted in increased public engagement and reduced audit times by 70%. Common themes across sources. Transparency and trust. The integration of AI and blockchain is critical for improving public trust in government institutions through enhanced accountability and reduced corruption. Global initiatives. Initiatives such as the Open Government Partnership and the International Budget Partnership emphasize the need for transparency, identifying AI and blockchain as key enablers. Challenges and mitigation. Challenges such as data quality and system integration are acknowledged, with recommendations including change management programs and partnerships for skill development. Timeline of events. 1. Initial assessment and planning. 2023 to 2024. Governments will conduct audits of existing financial systems and engage stakeholders to define objectives. 2. Technology development. 2024 to 2025. Selection and design of AI and blockchain systems, followed by pilot programs in selected departments. 3. Full implementation. 2025. Gradual rollout of systems across government departments, with continuous monitoring and optimization. For public engagement ongoing, launch campaigns to educate citizens about new systems, ensuring the benefits of increased transparency are communicated effectively. Conclusion. The integration of AI and blockchain technologies holds significant promise for enhancing transparency in government spending. By addressing challenges and implementing effective strategies, governments can create a more efficient, accountable, and citizen-centered financial management system. The ongoing developments in this area point towards a future where public financial management aligns more closely with citizen expectations and enhances trust in government institutions. The content presented discusses the integration of AI and blockchain technology in economic policy to enhance government transparency in spending by 2025. Here are some counterintuitive insights derived from the material. 1. Increased complexity can lead to greater simplicity, while technology often complicates processes. The use of AI and blockchain is projected to simplify government spending oversight. This is counterintuitive because technology usually requires training and adaptation, yet the expectation is that these systems will make financial processes more straightforward for both government employees and citizens. 2. Public engagement might increase through automation. The traditional view is that automation leads to less human interaction. However, the integration of AI-driven tools and blockchain may foster greater public engagement. Citizens could interact with real-time data and receive immediate answers via AI chatbots, thus potentially increasing their involvement in government financial oversight. 3. Perceived loss of control could enhance trust. Governments might fear that implementing transparent systems will make them vulnerable to public scrutiny. Ironically, by adopting blockchain and AI for transparency, they could enhance public trust. This is counterintuitive because the initial assumption is that increased transparency would lead to more criticism. But the reverse might be true as citizens feel more informed and involved. For how faster reporting may lead to more deliberate decision-making, it seems logical that faster processes could lead to rushed decisions. However, with automated reporting and real-time analytics facilitated by AI, governments could make more informed and deliberate financial decisions as they would have immediate access to data insights that were previously delayed. 5. Decentralization could strengthen central authority. The notion that decentralized systems undermine central authority is common. However, by implementing decentralized blockchain systems, governments can actually reinforce their authority by demonstrating accountability and fostering trust through transparency, which may ultimately enable stronger governance. 6. AI's role in reducing human oversight. It is often believed that reducing human oversight through AI leads to a lack of accountability. However, AI can enhance accountability by continuously monitoring transactions in real time, identifying anomalies that humans may overlook, and flagging issues before they escalate. 7. Investment in technology as a cost reduction strategy. Typically, investing in new technology is viewed as a cost increase. In this scenario, the expectation is that upfront investment in AI and blockchain will lead to significant long-term savings and efficiency gains, thus counteracting the initial financial burden. 8. Public resistance to change may drive innovation. Although resistance to new technology is expected, this resistance could drive governments to innovate more rapidly. The need to address public skepticism may prompt quicker adoption of user-friendly technologies that enhance transparency and efficiency. 9. AI could strengthen regulatory compliance rather than replace it. There is a common concern that AI will replace regulatory bodies in human oversight. In contrast, the integration of AI is seen as a means to enhance compliance and oversight, providing regulatory bodies with better tools to enforce policies rather than eliminating the need for them. 10. Blockchain's transparency may protect sensitive data. It's commonly thought that transparency inherently risks exposing sensitive information. However, blockchain can actually enhance data security through encryption and controlled access while still providing a transparent audit trail, thus protecting sensitive data more effectively than traditional systems. These insights challenge conventional thinking about technology and governance and highlight the nuanced effects of integrating advanced technologies like AI and blockchain into public financial management. The report on leveraging AI and blockchain in economic policy to enhance transparency by 2025 contains several key insights that are often overlooked but hold significant implications for the future of government spending and public trust. Below, I outlined these critical points and their significance. 1. Predictive analytics and anomaly detection. The application of AI for predictive analytics and anomaly detection is a substantial advancement that merits attention. While many discussions focus on the immediate benefits of transparency, the predictive capabilities of AI can transform how governments plan and allocate resources. By analyzing historical spending data, AI can forecast future needs and identify potential fraud by recognizing unusual patterns. This proactive approach can lead to more strategic budget allocations and reduced instances of financial misconduct. Significance. This strategy moves beyond merely reporting on past expenditures. It enables governments to anticipate needs and issues, aligning spending with actual social and economic demands. This could lead to more efficient use of taxpayer money and a higher level of service delivery. 2. Immutable record keeping via blockchain. The use of blockchain for immutable record keeping is often presented as a technical solution for transparency, yet its broader implications are frequently understated. The tamper-proof nature of blockchain ensures that all transactions are secure and traceable, which can significantly deter corruption and mismanagement. Significance. This feature not only enhances accountability but also builds public trust. Citizens can have confidence that government financial records are accurate and unalterable, fostering a sense of partnership between the government and the public. When people trust that their government is accountable, they are more likely to engage and cooperate with tax and regulatory systems. 3. Smart contracts for automated compliance. The report highlights the potential for smart contracts to streamline fund disbursement and ensure compliance with regulations. This automation is often seen as a means to increase efficiency, but it also represents a shift in how government processes are managed. Significance. Smart contracts can reduce bureaucratic delays and human error, ensuring that funds are allocated swiftly and transparently. This could revolutionize public procurement and grant management, making it easier for citizens and businesses to interact with government services and reducing the time and effort required to access public funds. 4. Public engagement and education. The importance of public engagement in the implementation of AI and blockchain technologies cannot be overstated. Many reports focus on the technical aspects but fail to address the need for educating citizens about these changes and how they can access and interpret new financial data. Significance. Engaging the public in understanding how government spending works increases transparency and accountability. If citizens are informed and empowered to track government spending, they are more likely to hold their leaders accountable and participate actively in the democratic process, thus strengthening the fabric of democracy. 5. Challenges and mitigation strategies. While the report outlines various strategies for implementation, it also identifies significant challenges such as data quality, system integration, and resistance to change. The mitigation strategies proposed, including partnerships with educational institutions and the creation of cross-functional teams, are essential but often briefly mentioned. Significance. Recognizing these challenges and actively addressing them is crucial for successful implementation. Governments that invest in change management and capacity building initiatives will be better positioned to overcome resistance and integrate new technologies effectively. This proactive stance can facilitate smoother transitions and enhance the overall success of transparency initiatives. 6. Global initiatives and collaborative frameworks. The mention of global initiatives such as the Open Government Partnership and the International Budget Partnership underscores the importance of international cooperation in enhancing transparency. However, the report could expand on how these frameworks can be leveraged to support national efforts. Significance. Collaboration across borders can lead to the sharing of best practices and technologies. Countries can learn from one another's successes and failures. Accelerating the development of effective transparency mechanisms. This global perspective is essential in an interconnected world where financial mismanagement can have far-reaching impacts. 7. Economic and social impacts. The potential economic benefits of implementing AI and blockchain technologies in government spending transparency are addressed, but the social implications are often overlooked. The report focuses on metrics for measuring success such as efficiency and cost savings, but it should also consider how these technologies can promote social equity and inclusion. Significance. When government spending becomes more transparent and efficient, it can lead to better outcomes for marginalized communities. By ensuring that public funds are allocated based on need rather than political connections, governments can promote social justice and equity, which could have lasting positive effects on society. 8. Ethical considerations in AI usage. The report touches upon the ethical use of AI but does not delve deeply into the implications of algorithmic bias and the importance of ethical frameworks. As AI systems are increasingly used in public finance, the potential for bias in decision-making processes poses significant risks. Significance. Addressing ethical concerns is vital for maintaining public trust. Governments must ensure that AI algorithms are transparent and accountable, with measures in place to mitigate bias. Engaging diverse stakeholders in the development and oversight of these technologies can help ensure that they serve the interests of all citizens fairly. 9. Future trends in governance. The report outlines potential future trends such as decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, and participatory budgeting, but often lacks depth in exploring how these innovations could reshape governance structures. Significance. These trends represent a fundamental shift towards more participatory and responsive governance models. As citizens become more involved in budgeting and decision-making processes, governments can better align their actions with the needs and preferences of the populace, ultimately leading to improved public satisfaction and trust. Conclusion. The integration of AI and blockchain technologies into economic policy presents a transformative opportunity for enhancing transparency in government spending. While the report outlines many promising strategies and applications, the significance of the overlooked aspects discussed above is crucial for realizing the full potential of these technologies. By addressing predictive analytics, smart contracts, public engagement, ethical considerations, and global cooperation, governments can create a more transparent, accountable, and equitable system that benefits all citizens. Here are the 4 most valuable points identified in the content for in-depth analysis and discussion regarding the implementation of AI and blockchain in economic policy for enhanced transparency by 2025. 1. Predictive analytics and anomaly detection. AI value. The use of AI for predictive analytics allows governments to analyze historical spending data, which can be pivotal for budget planning and resource allocation. Anomaly detection capabilities can identify unusual transaction patterns that may indicate fraud or misuse of funds, thus enhancing accountability. Discussion points. How can governments ensure the accuracy and reliability of the AI models used for predictive analytics? What ethical considerations arise from AI's role in monitoring government spending? And how can they be addressed? Examine case studies where predictive analytics has successfully improved fiscal management. 2. Immutable record-keeping. Blockchain value. Blockchain technology offers a tamper-proof ledger for public spending records, thus ensuring data integrity and traceability. This immutable record-keeping can significantly enhance public trust in government financial operations. Discussion points. What are the technical challenges and solutions for establishing a blockchain infrastructure in government settings? How can governments balance transparency with data privacy concerns when implementing blockchain? Analyze the effect of immutable record-keeping on citizen engagement and trust in government. 3. automated reporting and smart contracts. Value: the integration of AI can automate reporting processes, providing real-time insights into government spending. Smart contracts on the blockchain can streamline fund disbursement and ensure compliance with regulations, thus reducing bureaucratic delays. Discussion points. What are the implications of automating financial reporting for government accountability and oversight? How can smart contracts be designed to enforce compliance effectively, and what challenges might arise? Explore the potential impact of these technologies on reducing administrative costs and improving operational efficiency. 4. Challenges and mitigation strategies. Value: while the integration of AI and blockchain presents significant opportunities, it also comes with challenges such as data quality, system integration, and resistance to change. Identifying these challenges and developing effective mitigation strategies is crucial for successful implementation. Discussion points. What specific strategies can governments employ to overcome resistance to technological change among employees? How can partnerships with educational institutions enhance the skill sets required for implementing AI and blockchain? Evaluate the role of public engagement in addressing concerns about transparency and technology adoption. These points provide a comprehensive framework for discussing the transformative potential of AI and blockchain in enhancing transparency in economic policy, while also addressing the challenges and ethical considerations inherent in such integration. 1. Estonia's X-Road Initiative. Estonia has established itself as a leader in digital governance through its X-Road initiative, which enables secure data exchange between government agencies. This digital backbone supports various e-government services, allowing for real-time access to information and enhanced transparency in public spending. The integration of AI for predictive analytics alongside blockchain technology for data integrity has positioned Estonia as a model for other nations looking to digitize their governmental operations. 2. Dubai's blockchain strategy. Dubai has ambitious plans to integrate blockchain technology across its government services, aiming to become the world's first blockchain-powered government. The initiative focuses on streamlining processes, reducing paperwork, and enhancing transparency. By implementing smart contracts and leveraging AI for efficiency, Dubai anticipates significant cost savings and improved public trust in government operations, illustrating a forward-thinking approach to modern governance. 3. Brazil's blockchain-based public expenditure tracking. Brazil has developed a blockchain platform designed to record and track public expenditures. This initiative aims to combat corruption and improve transparency in governmental financial operations. By utilizing AI to analyze spending patterns and detect anomalies, the system provides real-time oversight of public funds, allowing citizens to monitor government spending more effectively. This case exemplifies how emerging technologies can address critical governance challenges in developing economies. Future outlook: predictions for leveraging AI and blockchain in economic policy by 2025. The integration of artificial intelligence, AI, and blockchain technology into economic policy is set to transform the landscape of government spending transparency by 2025. As we look ahead, several key predictions can be made regarding the evolution of these technologies and their impact on public financial management. 1. Widespread adoption of AI and blockchain technologies. By 2025, it is anticipated that a significant majority of governments worldwide will have implemented AI and blockchain technologies in their financial operations. This will include predictive analytics for budget forecasting, anomaly detection to combat fraud, and the use of blockchain for immutable record keeping. The European Union, Asian nations, and various Latin American countries are likely to lead this trend, driven by a growing recognition of the need for transparency and efficiency in public finances. 2. Enhanced predictive analytics and real-time monitoring. AI will become increasingly sophisticated in its predictive capabilities. Governments will leverage advanced machine learning algorithms to analyze vast amounts of historical spending data, allowing for real-time monitoring of budgetary allocations and expenditures. This predictive analytics will not only enhance financial forecasting but will also enable immediate responses to detected anomalies, fostering a proactive approach to public finance management. 3. Increased transparency and citizen engagement. As governments deploy blockchain technology, the public will have greater access to real-time data regarding government spending. This transparency will empower citizens to engage more effectively in budgetary processes, enhancing democratic participation. Initiatives such as participatory budgeting, facilitated by blockchain-enabled voting systems, will enable citizens to contribute directly to budgetary priorities, further bridging the gap between government and the public. 4. Development of interoperable systems and standards. By 2025, there will be a concerted effort to develop interoperable blockchain systems and standardized protocols across different jurisdictions. This will facilitate seamless data exchange between various government entities and enhance cross-border collaboration on financial transparency initiatives. International frameworks will emerge, promoting best practices and ensuring that governments can share data securely while respecting privacy concerns. 5. Integration of advanced technologies, IoT and quantum computing. The future landscape will witness the convergence of AI, blockchain, and emerging technologies such as the Internet of Things, IoT, and quantum computing. IoT devices will enable real-time data collection from government assets, integrating seamlessly with blockchain to provide transparent tracking of public resources. Additionally, as quantum computing matures, blockchain systems will evolve to incorporate quantum-resistant algorithms, ensuring long-term security against future threats. 6. AI-driven policymaking and economic planning. AI will play a crucial role in economic policy formulation, using data-driven insights to inform decision-making. Advanced analytics will allow governments to simulate the potential impact of various spending strategies, optimizing resource allocation. This shift toward evidence-based policymaking will improve overall governance and ensure that public funds are utilized effectively to meet societal needs. 7. Focus on cybersecurity and ethical standards. With the increasing reliance on digital technologies, the importance of cybersecurity will escalate. Governments will prioritize the establishment of robust cybersecurity frameworks to protect sensitive financial data. Ethical considerations surrounding AI, including bias mitigation and privacy protection, will become central to policy discussions, ensuring that technology serves the public good without compromising individual rights. 8. Global collaboration against corruption. The integration of AI and blockchain will facilitate enhanced global cooperation in combating corruption. International anti-corruption networks will emerge, leveraging AI to detect fraudulent activities and blockchain for secure information sharing. This collective effort will aim to create a more transparent global financial system, encouraging accountability and trust in public institutions. 9. Educational initiatives for digital literacy. To support the transition towards a more transparent and tech-driven governance model, governments will invest in educational programs aimed at enhancing digital literacy among citizens. Public understanding of AI and blockchain technologies will be crucial for fostering trust and encouraging active participation in the democratic process. 10. Evolution of economic models. The integration of AI and blockchain technologies will prompt a re-evaluation of traditional economic models. Governments may explore new funding mechanisms such as tokenization of public assets, allowing citizens to invest directly in government projects. This evolution will lead to innovative approaches in public finance, aligning economic activities more closely with societal values and needs. Conclusion. The future of leveraging AI and blockchain in economic policy by 2025 is bright, with the potential to foster unprecedented levels of transparency, efficiency, and public trust in government spending. As these technologies mature, they will enable a more participatory and accountable governance model, fundamentally reshaping the relationship between citizens and their governments. The proactive integration of these technologies, coupled with a commitment to ethical standards and global cooperation, will pave the way for a more transparent and equitable future in public finance.